I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. So yesterday I made oh, that's foggy. Hang on. Yesterday I made the executive decision to stay home from church and watch online, but the good Lord had other plans because the church is not able to have online. Something's wrong with the internet. So anyway, so I'll watch it later on this week. I've got some pork belly. I've boiled it first, and then this is some steak that part of the steak from yesterday that I had for supper. So I'm getting that fried up. And look, they're still looking beautiful. They're opening up. Look, that one's coming open. He's saying hello, guys. I got to take this to my spare room. I'm pretty stoked. I ended up with 2 bags full of ice. This is the ice that it makes. If you have one, like I said, there's nothing. It's not a refrigerated system. So you want to pull it out, let them kind of dry off, so to speak, and freeze fully in your freezer, then put them in the bags. Otherwise, it's one big clump. But look what we have. These are my steaks that I cut up yesterday, along with my my ground beef. So next week, Terry really doesn't need to do anything. And this is the rendered fat. It's already hardened. What I did was any big chunks of fat that I cut off, I boiled it into my crock pot in some water, and then I pulled out the fat. So this is technically not tallow, but boy, it sure looks pretty and clean. So a person could use it like tallow or whatever. Anyway, I got to get back to this. Okay. All right. So here, got my coffee. Still sipping on that. Actually, I've already drank it halfway down once and filled it back up. I left out syrup. I don't know. It don't matter. Sometimes you just want to try stuff and experiment. So this is what I have. It's pork belly. I didn't measure. We're not tracking today. And then this is a piece of steak. There's a guy on YouTube who I watch. His name is Ryan, R-Y-A-N. I don't know what else is in his name. But anyway, he's Puerto Rican is what he said. I don't know where he's from. But anyway, the point is he makes pork belly a lot. And so the way he does it is he boils the pork belly first and uses all kind of seasoning in it, and then he fries it. So that's what I did today. I've tried it before. I think I boiled it too long in the past. So I'm trying it again today. He actually seasons the water, and but he calls it chicharrone. Chicharrone. Well, yeah. I'm going to say pork belly because I don't want to be messing something up. But we're going to give it a try. It needs a little more salt. Hang on. I'm going to use this. I seasoned my steak with this Goya adobo just because I had some in the boiling water. And so I was like, I'm just going to go with the theme. So I have this Goya, much better. Goya adobo. I also have one. It's Lowry's adobo with pepper. So I've got a mixture. So all right, so that's the chicharrones. And now let's do, this is from that chuck roll. The chuck roll that I cut up yesterday. Great flavor. That video comes out this Friday. Ziggy, what is this Friday's date?
This Friday will be March 27th, 2026.
Okay.
That's 5 days from now.
So that video. Thank you, Ziggy.
What about the video?
Ziggy, stop. So the video will come out this Friday, the 27th, and you'll see how it came, how I cut it, and then, oh my gosh, you in the comments amaze me. First off, thank you for sending me that video about Texas Roadhouse. Come find out Texas Roadhouse and their seasonings has a lot of sugar. They also cook in seed oils, so if you are sensitive to seed oils, you might have to order it cooked a different way. I ain't gonna lie. I use avocado oil to fry up my chicharrones, so I'm not. If I am, I don't know. I'm sensitive to it, but. I love knowing it, and I appreciate you sharing that with me, because now what I can say is no seasonings on my roadkill, and no seasonings on the onions and peppers. So that'll maybe save a little bit of that sugar out of there. Where was I going with that? Some about the comments. Some of y'all shared in the comments. Lord, child. I don't know. I don't remember what I was talking about, but I do know I appreciate your comments and your all's tips and tricks in the comments, because y'all. I remember. Sam's. You had said that Sam's will cut the whole chuck roll. It will slice it. I called and my Sam's does. I may have said this yesterday. I don't care. I'm saying it again today because I'm excited. So next time I go, I'm going to ask for like 1.5-inch cut steaks. And then when I take it home, then I can like throw it on the scale, cut off whatever I want to make it be the weight that I want to. So I just want to say thank you guys. You guys, I just want to say thank you to all of you guys who you guys bring so much value to my life in the comment section. And even those of you who don't comment every time, you bring value to my life. But I just want to say I really, really appreciate all the things that you all teach me. You know, I didn't grow up in the kitchen with my mama. I was outside playing with my dog, or chasing my neighbors, or over at their house watching WWE. Oh, back then it was WWF. So I wasn't a girly girl as a kid. So I don't know. What I'm learning is what I'm learning. So now my mom would be in the kitchen, but not me. You know, she'd send me out of the kitchen because I was just hyper kid. So I do want to say I really appreciate you all very much for everything you teach me down in the comments. But yeah, so my plan is I'll go and I'll have them slice it into 1.5-inch slices, and then I can bring it back and weigh it and get it to the amount that I want. Because I don't mind having a bunch of little pieces, you know, to cook in the skillet before, and dividing that up. For me, it's not that about that. It's just a whole different texture. Hopefully I'll remember, because y'all saw how full my freezer is. All right. I'll see you next thing. Bye. Today's a low-key day. Just for the record. I don't have anything planned. I was going to watch church, but yeah, that's canceled because they can't get the internet to work. So, all right. Yeah, no laundry. Oh, I know what I need to do. Some point today, I will vacuum. Maybe. So, all right, bye. You all, it's a beautiful day outside, and I'm enjoying it from the inside like I do. But look, he's out there. She's out there. I don't know where Sam's at. Oh, he's like me. He's enjoying it from the inside. Yeah, I love to open up the wick curtains and look outside and see how beautiful it is. But again, I like to enjoy the outdoors from the indoors. Got my candles going and my beautiful flowers, because they brighten up the indoors and make it look nice. Look, I use my screen. I've never used it before, but watching that Ryan, he uses it, and I don't know if it made a difference or not. But anyway, so I'm just playing a little Red Dead, and right now I'm quickly double checking and making sure I do a little sweep. I need to fix this earring. It was my grandma's and it came unglued, I guess. So I'm doing a quick little sweep. Everything looks decent. I still do want to vacuum. That stuff is hanging up, drying from yesterday. I'm satisfied with that. I don't need to do anything in there. Don't need to do anything in here. So, yeah. All right. That was my sweep through. Back to Red Dead Redemption. And we're going hunting, me and Arthur. Let me tell you all the songs that's in my head. There's no business like show business. There's no business I know. There's no people like show people. There's no people I know. Y'all, I'm so dorky. Anyway, so what are we having for supper? I'm super excited to try this creamy. We'll try it here in a second. I didn't even lick it. I did not lick the top because I didn't want to know. But what do we have? So I told you all. Oh, hang on. Ziggy, turn on craft light.
Okay.
I cut my the chuck roll into about 1.4 pounds. So this is about half of it. I didn't weigh it. I just cooked it and took what appeared to be half. So this is about half of 1.4 pounds. 1 pound, 4 ounces. And according to Ziggy, let's double check. Hey, Ziggy, how many ounces is Ziggy, how many ounces is 1.4 pounds? Don't listen to nobody.
1.4 pounds equals 22.4 ounces.
So about 22 ounces is how much of this chuck roast I have. So now, I don't know if it's, I think some of them is going to be chewy and some of them are going to be juicy. What I can say is that the taste is mwah. Do I have to chew it a little more? I'm playing my game, but I don't know where my character is. Where's he at? Anyway, right there, big as life. Anyway, yeah. Do I have to chew more? Yes. Does it taste amazing just like steak? Yes. So I'm good with that. I'm fortunate. I don't have to worry about, whether or not I'm having trouble chewing. So yeah. That's how much it is. So I got that. Now, it's a mixture. It's my chocolate and vanilla collagen. I wanted to try it. I had not made a creamy out of that. So it's chocolate and vanilla collagen, and I did add thickener. So I've not made a creamy with that. So for those who are kind of new on the newer side, I usually take protein powder, just keto chow protein powder, mix it with water, and I have a Ninja Creamy. So you freeze it, and then the next day you run it through a machine, it turns it into ice cream. Well, I know how I love the flavors of keto chow, but I've never done with just collagen. So it's a full serving. So let's see. More bland. No, not enough flavor. I mean, and even the texture is a little more icy. All right. So, I know we had talked about how you can use the collagen with cottage cheese or yogurt. Don't make a creamy out of it. Well, you can, but it's very mild, very mild. I'll eat it. I'll eat it because I made it. But anyway, and this is a Zevia, cream soda Zevia with some of my electrolytes at the bottom. Since I make my own, they don't blend up really good, mix up really good like the Salty brand. But they work. So that's my day. That's my meal. I didn't vacuum. And I still don't know if I don't think I'm going to. It can wait another week. It's just me and the dogs. So, all right. I love y'all. Bye.